What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fanguard from Brawl Stars. Let's start today's lesson in the center of our page at the top edge of the eyes. And leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left and draw an angled line going up and then out. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to connect the ends with a half circle coming down towards the bottom of the eye and then back up on the inside. Now I'm going to place the eyebrows on top. Again, leaving a gap in the center, draw a straight line going across toward the left and then the right. And then from here we're going to draw a rectangle going up towards the top of the eyebrows. Draw the same length line on the outside and we'll close off the top. From the top left corner of the eye, we're going to step out, add a curve going up above the eyebrows, go across, and then down. Let's flatten off the ends. And we'll draw that same curve going across the top of the hat brim. Let's go to the bottom corner of the hat brim, draw a straight line coming down the side of the head to right about there. And we'll close off the bottom. Curve this down, across, and then up. In the center of the chin, we're going to add a curve, coming across, come down and out, and we'll follow that same curve going out towards the side of the head. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right. So we're going to start on the left side, bend this out, and then up towards the eye, go back to the left, add some thickness, coming down and up. Now I'm going to add those covers across the ear. Let's start from the top corner, curve this around, and then bend that in towards the side of the head. On the outside, draw two short lines coming down. Now you want to round at the top and then pull that back in. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. Round this out and then come straight in. Now we're going to place those horns on top of the head. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this in and then up. And do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to bend the horn going out and then up towards the top. And the same thing on the right. And then from here it's going to bend this around the outside of the horn and then pull that in towards the bottom. Let's go back to the side, draw a straight line going up. And we're going to bend this up and in behind the horn. And we'll close off the center. From the top corners, we're going to step in, draw a slight angle going around the horn towards the top of the hat. And we'll curve the top going in behind the horns and up in the middle. Let's add two small ovals on the side. Now, with the head complete, let's move down and draw the inside edge of the jacket. We're going to start on the left side, start by bending this in, and then come down. And from here, we're just going to bend this out towards the bottom of the coat. Let's bend the bottom of the coat, going out and then up. And it'll come in and then up. Let's add a small curve across the collar, coming down and then up. Now I want to trace the inside of the jacket. Let's start back over on the left side, come in. I'm just going to follow the curve coming all the way down towards the bottom. And we'll trace the bottom, going out and up. From the bottom, we're going to step up, add another curve. And then we're going to add that strap going across the body. Let's start from the top left, angle this down, across, step down, and draw that again. go up to the top, draw an angle line going up. And I'm just going to trace these 3 lines along the inside. Let's go back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and then down toward the left heel. Go over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we're going to simplify the geometry of the shoes. Let's start on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across the bottom of the foot towards the left and right side. On the outside of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up and in, and then we're just going to mirror that over on the right. Change the angle, coming in towards the ankle. Let's go up with a short line. Angle this in towards the top of the boot, and it comes straight down. Now I'm just going to angle this up towards the inside of the leg. Now I'm going to go back up underneath the coat and draw the outside leg going out and then tucking that in behind the boot. Now let's add those thick stripes across the boot. We're going to start by tracing the inside and leaving a gap along the top and bottom. Now from here, we're going to follow this angle line coming down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's close off the bottom. Let's trace this area along the inside. And we'll finish off by tracing the front of the foot. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb coming in and then out, and then add a bracket on the ends. From the bottom of the thumb, we're going to add the first finger. We're going to come down and bend that up around the bracket. Now let's add 2 more fingers. So we're going to go out to the side, go out and in, and then the third finger, we're just going to go all the way around toward the top of the glove. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's close off the top of the glove with a curve, coming in and then down. And then from the corner of the glove, we're going to step in, bend the arm going up, and then in underneath the collar. Let's add a thick trim around the cuff. Now we're going to add that stripe across the sleeve. Just following that same curve, going up underneath the collar. And then we're going to add a small detail along the outside of the cuff. We're going to follow that curve coming in, go up, and then back out. Let's mirror that over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Fanguard from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.